To replace the window regulator, you will first need to remove the door panel. Please see our article in video on door panel removal by following the link at the end of this video. With the door panel off, you will be facing the weather membrane or shield, red arrows. Try and carefully peel this back so you can reinstall it later. This membrane is an important piece, and if you tear it, you need to cut a new one from plastic and make sure you have a good seal around the frame. The three main areas you will be working on: the 10mm nuts for the mechanism, the electrical connection, and the glass retainer. Begin by using a Phillips head screwdriver and disconnect the wiring from the block in the door frame, red arrow. Pass the wiring that goes to the motor through the grommet in the door. The glass sits in a clip that rides up and down on the regulator. Remove the plastic retaining clip in the bottom of the window, red arrow. This can get really brittle, so use care. Slide the glass retainer from the Teflon in the regulator, red arrow. Push the glass up, yellow arrow, and tape or wedge it in place. Towards the top of the door frame, remove the 10mm bolt, yellow arrow, from the top of the window guide on the regulator. This will allow you to raise the locating tab, red arrow, up and out of the channel when you remove the regulator. Remove the three 10mm nuts and the one 10mm bolt, red arrows, from the regulator. Lift the rail out from the retaining clip in this previous step and remove the regulator from the door. Installation is the reverse of removal. Make sure to insert the retaining tab into the slot, red arrow, before reinstalling the upper 10mm bolt. Thanks for watching. Click here to view the original article along with hundreds of other DIY content for your car.